Hey, how's it going, everybody? Charlie Wilson here, aka Sinister Charlie. Welcome back. Got unusual memes, which I haven't done one of these in forever, so we're gonna do that now. Go. Hi, cat. Ring of fire.
My mind.
Hell, oh, I saw this. I saw that on Twitter the other day. The video's a little bit longer, but oh, that was so cute. Corgi. That's probably India? Yeah. Oh, I remember those days. Jesus. Oh. Yeah, why not? Happy birthday. Nope.
Chosen one.
How my brother told me how to chase the bag.
It's supposed to work, but it didn't. There you go. The hell kind of PC is that? Shoot. Alright. Oh, that's sad.
И на вас смотрят девочки, то надо удивлять.
Oh. Oh, why did you do that? What it? Why? Hey, boo-boo head. Oh. Well, just go through it. Just go through it, dude. No. Oh.
I'm too drunk for this.
Just do it. Yup.
There you go.
Vendo aí, gente, aqui também está chovendo. Olha no
I'm pretty sure I've seen that before. Yeah. The hell is that? It's a weird looking dog. She's getting into it. Ooh. Hello, my little frog friend. Shoot-it-up. Shoot-it-up. Beep-it-up. Beep-bop.
Day one of learning how to play basketball.
Brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AF4
Is it going to be a
gauge,
cat?
fan switch, steering wheel.
It's a cat.
You got all that?
Nosotros somos electricistas, compadre. Somos electricistas.
Ooh. People still do this stuff, huh? Aww.
Another glass of wine.
Oof. Oh. Yep, that's deserved. You deserve that. Oh, it's a bear. Okay. I mean... Okay. Hey! Capitera. with that room? Oh, you idiot.
Parkour. Ah, si, 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 si.
Hey, look at this beast. There you go. Oh, wow. Aw. Oh, that one got me, man. Jerks.
Oh wait, no, wait. It must be.
Ow. Almost. No, you got it. Never mind.
留一下追踪器。
这里不能拉尿，快走快走。慢点。
It's got to be hooked up to like a fishing line or something. Oh. Yeah. The hell is this?
Wow.
Yo, what up, bitch? Yeah.
Watch out, Zach. She's gonna spin over.
Oh, it was like nothing.
There's the dog.
Oh, what? What? That's ridiculous. Okay. Hey, little sheep doggy. Hello, little doggy.
Why are you holding the door? I can't go down the stairs.
Hell yeah, dude. Hey. Ride. The wave. Anyway, it's getting late. Skibbity boobity, rabbity roobity. Do. Why is there so much time left? Yeah. Anyway, there you go. I generally don't do those, but I was like, screw it. Yeah, there you go. There's some memes for you. We like memes around here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Makes me feel good inside. Helps out the channel. And if you've got any suggestions, please put them in the comments, and I will get to them eventually. Thank you very much, and bye.